Okay, Convex 360 Birdview camera with DVR, model number CT-360. Okay, installed in Honda City 2008 to 2013 version. Okay, reverse camera, left hand side camera. So we drill a hole to fix in the camera on left. Okay, front camera and right hand side camera. Okay, this one Honda City 2008. Okay, 10.1 inch Convex Android Master Go series, 8 core, 4GB RAM with 32GB storage. Okay, let me show you for the reverse. 360 reverse. Left hand side is 360 view, front camera, rear, left and right. Okay, on the right hand side, this is reverse view. Back to normal. Okay, let me show you for a left signal. So the screen will turn to the left. Okay, right signal. Auto switch to front. Okay, back to normal. This is automatic system. Okay, but you can manual to press to change it. Okay, got a remote control. Is connect with a sensor. Okay, show you turn on, menu turn on. Okay, now it's a front view. Then you can switch to left hand side. Okay, right hand side, rear. Okay, switch to front, back. So this is 4 view, 4 camera, left, right, front and rear. And from the remote, press the meter to go to setting. So you can choose up and down for the setting. And back. So this is Convex 360 Birdview 2D camera with DVR. Okay, turn off, back to auto function, reverse, normal. Okay, so this is Convex 360 Birdview camera 2D with DVR function. Okay, you just plug in a USB pen drive, connect with the 360 USB port, then you can use for the DVR function, driving video recorder. Okay, install in Honda City. Buy one piece. Thank you.